financing company that is focused on education-related financing. What we originally started out with plain vanilla student loans for people trying to study, trying to go after higher education in India. After a certain point, we evolved and we created a new product for the schooling industry. And that's what I'm here to talk about. So what is GreyQuest Finance? For schools, we have a simple concept of GreyQuest education payment plans. The whole essence of this concept is providing a monthly payment plan for every parent who's sending their kids to school in India. When I studied overseas, I studied in overseas European for university for a brief period, and I noticed that all premium international schools or boarding universities there would always collect their fees in a monthly payment plan. That's not to be seen in India, at least in the premium institutions. So with GreyQuest, we came out with a monthly payment plan wherein there are two concepts very straightforward. For the parent, we make the school fees in monthly payments, and for the school, we will transfer the annual fee upfront minus a certain discounting rate. Once a parent signs up with us, the school does not have to follow up for any payments. They don't have to spend any admin resources on those collections. As well as for parents, it just becomes a seamless facility. They don't have to bother about remembering when their installments are due. If there are bulk installments, they don't have to worry about any of those, a significant chunk of their school fees in any one particular month for them. So it's effectively a win-win for both the education institution as well as the parent. Here's just some of the, what are we seeing currently? Basically, for the education institution, the annual fee is received upfront. Hence, it helps them from a cash flow perspective as well as eliminate collection hassles. Increased accessibility to parents. If the parents have a monthly option, more parents will be affordable and accessible to that particular school. For parents, it's just a convenience option. Typically, the schools that we're signing up with, some of whom are already in this auditorium, the average fees that we're seeing is 1.5 lakhs, and that gives us an indication that even premium parents are more than happy with a service like this. This is how a facility will look for the parents. For parents, it's a doorstep service. They don't need to go anywhere. They don't need to sign up. They don't need to go to another bank or branch for anything. It's completely paperless. It's completely digital. We provide them a doorstep service if there is any doorstep service required. So parent fills out the application form. We have a digital process. We have a digital eligibility check. Once that eligibility check is done, we'll grant access to that parent for that particular fee amount or the annual amount. And then there is auto repayment from the parent's bank account. So it's a completely digital online process. And we are pan-India. We are not restricted by geography. We are working in Tamil Nadu. We are working in Kolkata. We are working in Kerala. And Bombay is our hub. We are based in Bombay. And we're trying to expand significantly in the Bombay region as we speak. I will cut short this presentation. Our booth is here. I will look forward to anyone who's interested in knowing more about this to come to our booth. We can have a detailed discussion and take it forward from there. Thank you.